present. Please be here on stage. Allow me to present the party of Sana Party List. A round of applause, please. You're invited. We begin in 7 minutes for your platform presentation. We now starts now. Student for Accountability and Real Action, Sana Party List. Hindi lahat may lakas ng loob magsalita, kaya nandito kami para makinig. Good day, teachers, fellow students, and parent officers. Today we stand before you not just as candidates, but as students who believe that leadership is not about position, it is about responsibility. Our party list, Student for Accountability and Real Action, or SANA, was created with one clear mission: to build a school where every student feels heard, supported, protected, and is represented. We believe that not all students have the courage to speak up. Some are afraid, some feel ignored, some think their voice does not matter. That is why we say, hindi lahat may lakas ng loob magsalita, kaya nandito kami para makinig. We are here to listen. So, our first platform is the open voice system. Many students experience problems but do not know where to go. With this system, we aim to create safe and accessible ways for students to share concerns, suggestions, and complaints, whether through suggestion boxes, online forms, or scheduled open forums. This ensures that leadership is not one-sided. It became a two-way communication between students and officers. Because leadership is not about talking the most, it's about listening the most. Second, mental health awareness, academic pressure, family problems, social struggles. These are the real challenges students face every day. We want to promote mental health awareness activities, stress relief programs, and safe conversation about emotional well-being. We may not solve every problem, but we can create a school environment where no student feels alone. Strong students are not those who hide their struggles. Strong students are those who are supported. Third, safe school and anti-bullying. A school should be the place of growth, not fear. We aim to strengthen anti-bullying awareness, encourage reporting system, and promote respect among students. Whether it's physical, verbal, or online bullying, we must take action. Safety is not optional, it is a right. Fourth, academic support for all. Not all students learn the same way. Some struggle silently, some are too shy to ask for help. We aim to promote peer tutoring programs, review sessions before major exams, and study support initiatives. Education should lift everyone, not leave anyone behind. Fifth, inclusive student representation. Every strand, every section, every personality, every background. We want representation that reflects the diversity of our school. Not students should feel invisible. Leadership must include different voices, not just a selected few. Six, students' rights and welfare. Students deserve fairness, transparency, and respect. We will advocate for students' rights while maintaining discipline and responsibility. Accountability applies to everyone, including us as leaders. Lastly, transparent and listening programs. We promise updates. We promise honesty. We promise action. If we succeed, we celebrate together. If we fail, we take the responsibility. That is accountability. In conclusion, SANA is not just a name. It means hope, change, and action. We are not here to promise perfection. We are here to promise effort. We are here to promise listening. We are here to promise accountability. Because real leadership does not shine alone. It shines when everyone is included, especially students. Vote for Student for Accountability Your 7 minutes starts now.
Good morning, fellow students. We are the Aspire Party. We are here today because we want to be your backbone, the support system you can rely on. Ang eskwelahan murag balay. Kung walay inigo ng pundasyon, dali ra kini nga guba.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, teachers and fellow students. We are the Aspire Party. We are here today because we want to be your backbone, the support system you can rely on. Ang eskwelahan murag balay. Kung walay inigo ng pundasyon, dali ra kini maguba. So these are platform is built on support system, equality and real. Today we want a school where your voice actually matters. That is why we will implement a suggestion box, both physical and online. Dili lang ni box para sa papel, it is a direct line to the SSLG. If you have a problem or an idea, we want to hear it. Second, let's talk about our second home. We are pushing for basura mo or ibulsa mo. So, kani siya kay para ang atong environment is to maintain clean. We need to ang atong mga basura atong ibutang sa tong bulsa. So ang third is ang PE dress code. Para formal bitaw and we are students, so we need to wear our PE uniforms in Wednesday para mga kabalo na students study din sa eskwelahan.
So good morning everybody. Next is gender equality and inclusion. Furthermore, Aspire Party stands for firm on gender equality in our party. We believe every student, regardless of gender, should have equal opportunities to lead and to be heard. Respect everyone's identity. So atong party is walay biya-biyaan. We respect every gender in our school. No matter what is your gender is, we are respected. Your voice is being heard. You should be respected. No matter what, bayo ka, bakit ka, may sex ka, it doesn't matter. The matter is what you can do, what can you offer to our school community to be a better school. Our next is stricter policy about wearing earrings and tattoos. So no, as the SSLG or the other organization sa Gapilan, I see lot of boys na wear earrings. But these days, earrings should not be allowed for boys because it's not available for under 18. And that is dapat sa girls sa ng earrings. And also the next is tattoos. Dili na kay sa langit kung dili tapis sa bayi. Mga bata pata. Dili pa ta dapat mag-tattoo or mag-earrings sa mga laki. Because we're under 18. We must, kung gusto mo mag-tattoo, you wait until pataas 18. Next is punishment for latecomers. So for latecomers is we should acknowledge the student na kanang nahimot sa ilang balay, magtabang silang parents na maligya para makaskwela or layo dyan ang balay. We will acknowledge and we will ato silang ato bitong disla apil sa punishment because syempre no, as a student, we are kailangan na itong eskwela para mag-aahon sa kahirapan. So ang punishment for latecomers is community service. In short, manglipyo mo din sa school community. Dili lang kay ka ng kaya ito para sa mga yung punishment for our school, para sa itong eskwelahan, para to maintain the green and clean school ground. Thank you so much and a good day.
Thank you so much, Aspire Party List. And now we will proceed to our mini debate. For our first topic, we will be given 2 topics for each party. First, we have that should the wearing of school uniform and school ID be strictly implemented? Each party will follow this format. 1 minute opening, 30 seconds rebuttal, and 30 seconds for closing. Each party will be given that specific time. In order, Sana will go first, followed by the Aspire, and then vice versa. For the positive side, for the wearing of school uniform, we have the Aspire party list. And then for the negative side, we have the Sana party list. Please give their mics. And for your first speaker,
Sir, okay na kasi ako po living.
are you all ready? 1 minute for the first speaker. Please stand here. First speaker, please stand for the first party. Sorry, we will start with the affirmative side for the first speaker. One minute starts now.
So good morning everyone. So we are starting a positive wearing school uniform. So why should we use school uniform? We are the aspirant party list. Mutindog mi aron sa affirmative side. Specifically defending the wearing of school uniform and IDs. Dili tungod kay gusto na mo lisod-lisod, kundi tungod kay dako mig pagtuo nga disiplina o seguridad mo ang foundation usa ka malipayon na eskwelahan. So why we should use a school uniform? So balang sa DO Country Series of 2020, also known as a Civil Protection Policy, obligasyon nato mahimong safe space ang atong campus and uniform ID mao na atong badge of safety. Mailan dahil kinsa ang tinod nga estudyante o kinsa ang outsider. Dili ta basta sa masudan og daotang elemento. But in aspire, we believe in balance. Mga naatay wash kay aron kamo na ay freedom of wear sa inyong mga gusto.
Time is up. Let's have
Thank
the
you.
first speaker for the negative side or opposing side. Time starts now.
Good day, everyone. We firmly believe that school uniforms and IDs are not mandatory in public schools. The Department of Education itself, through the DepEd Order 45 and number 65, clearly states that uniforms are not required, avoiding adding financial burdens to families. Not all students can afford extra expenses. More importantly, students have the right to express themselves. Clothing is one way young people show their creativity, identity, and personality. Forcing everyone to dress the same limits this freedom. Uniforms also do not automatically stop bullying or guarantee discipline. Education should promote understanding, respect, and individuality, not restrict it. Thank you.
Thank you. And now we have for our rebuttal 30 seconds time. Wait. Reminder, first speaker from the positive side, you will rebuttal of what she said. Clearly mentioned. That's the purpose of our rebuttal. You have 30 seconds. Starts now.
Good morning everyone. Salamat sa pagtudlo sa DO65. Well, actually, it's good that we have to wear uniforms. It's good that we have to wear uniforms. There will be no bullying. There is DO series of 2012 that protects the child endangerment of school. Dili lang makasulod ang mga batang na
Time is up. Rebuttal for the several party list starts now.
You said bullying, and bullying is not about clothing. It's about your behavior of a student. According to Republic Act 5546, it prohibits schools from forcing students to buy specific items, which means requiring expensive uniforms or ID are unfair. While recognition is important, still strict and can limit personal
Time is
freedom.
up. We will have the closing for the first speaker from affirmative side. Your time starts now.
So ang among plan is wearing school uniform. So the wearing school uniform is very important. Unsaon kung may tabo nimo sa dalan, what will happen? Why school kung wala kay school uniform may balaan to kuha sa kanang eskwelahan. How will people know where your school come from? So, importante ang school uniform para may para sa mga student or teachers na dili ka ng eskwela para di ka masunan ng mga outsiders. Thank you.
For the opposing side, we will have the closing statement. Your time starts now. Education prioritizes accessibility, freedom, and fairness. DepEd policies already recognize these issues about wearing school uniform. As a student, we need to true safety discipline come from the strong policies and the difficult COVID. For this reason, we firmly stand against mandatory school uniforms and IDs. Because I believe that tananta students na atay
Your time stops now. Sorry.
For a minute of break, we'll be answering a moderator Q&A. The next topic will proceed after our Q&A moderated. So, you will be given two sets of questions and you will answer the same questions. Starts with the Aspire party list. Your first question, you will be given 1 minute to answer per question. 30-second transition, you will answer for opposing side. Second party list, sorry. First question, what are your top 2 projects for the first 30 days? Again, what are your top 2 projects for the first 30 days? 1 minute starts now.
Salamat sa pangutana. Our first project in 30 days, ilang kami tama na sa sana. Maami action. We are not just in word, we're going to work. We're going to work hard. So our first project is among treasurer auditor kay mag-post of funds kung unsa ang kaipon. We will post our first project kung unsa ang among gibon sa atong eskwelahan. We're going to post our first ever project if we win para maunsa kung sa kanindot atong eskwelahan for the palambuon of our school. So that mo na ang imon the first 30 days. Thank you.
30 seconds. Prepare for the sign-up party list. Again, I will be reading the first question. What are your top 2 projects for the first 30 days? Mention your top 2 projects.
Our top 1 project would be hearing the students' problem, and then we will acknowledge it, we will apply it, we will organize our ideas from you or your opinion so that we will follow it. And then our second top project will be the cleanliness of the environment. As you have noticed, we have no proper CRs for everyone and it's not that clean. We believe that our environment affects the way of thinking and our effectiveness in school. That's it. Thank you.
Time's up. Thank you. For our second set of questions, coming from Sana Party List, what makes your party different from the other in terms of service? Again, what makes your party different from the other in terms of service? Your timer, 1 minute starts now.
Our party is different from the other because we promote accountability and transparency. Accountability means the responsibility and we take actions and fix the problem. Transparency, we give openness to the student, heard their voices, and to be understood.
Thank you. 20 seconds. I'll be reading the questions again. What makes your party different from the other in terms of service? Again, what makes your party different from the other in terms of service? Your 1 minute starts now.
Nakalais among party sa ilang party was among party is hardworking. Dili kami taman sa storya, was mo action with me. Today, today organization, I am a grade 8 representative, and through that, we have an experience. Ang kalayan na kay naami experience. Today, we are SSLG officers, and we want to continue at SSLG to work to make our school community a better place. Nakalahisan mo ang kay naami experience. We are hardworking, and we have the resilience. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. And now we will proceed again to our mini debate. Topic number 2. Strict rules for absences and tardiness. Strict rules for absences and tardiness. Again, 1 minute for opening, 30 seconds rebuttal, and 30 seconds closing. We will start with the affirmative side from Sana Party List. First speaker, please stand here and prepare for the Aspire first speaker. Your time starts now. Good day, everyone. We strongly support strict policies on tardiness and absenteeism in schools. Regular attendance and punctuality are essential for academic success and discipline. When students are frequently late or absent, they miss important lessons, instructions, and activities that affect their performance. Therefore, implementing enforcing policies against tardiness and absenteeism promotes responsibility, academic excellence, and discipline among students. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much, both parties. We will have the Aspire Party List for their one rebuttal for first rebuttal. 30 seconds starts now.
Salamat sana, but have you really thought about our classmates? Yung mga pubro, na wala mga pliti pagdating sa eskwelahan? What if ilang mga balay? Layo tayo, kailangan sila pliti. That is why we need to be flexible, not strict, but flexible. That is how we grow as students and as leaders. Thank you.
30 seconds rebuttal from Sana Party List. 30 seconds starts now.
You said that we should understand students na layo ang balay. But if you have layo na balay, then you should wake up early because it's your responsibility as a student to be early in school.
Time's up. And now we will have the closing statement from Aspire Party List. The 30 seconds starts now.
Okay, kung ingon ka, kanang layo na kung matagal sa'yo. What about the mga disabled na person? Oh, financially and mentally and physically. Oh, ipaawin natin natin. Kahit hindi na kayo disabled. Thank you!
And now, please be reminded, audience, you will only support by shouting or no also shouting after the speaker's speech. And now we will have the closing statement from Sana Party List. Your 30 seconds starts now. In conclusion, attendance reflects commitment. Punctuality builds discipline. If we want students to succeed academically and prepare for life responsibilities, we must promote regular attendance and reduce tardiness. For these reasons, we stand on confident side. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much, both parties. And now we will proceed to our speech proper. You will be given 1 minute and 30 seconds for your closing statement overall. Speech proper. Let's start with the Sana closing statement. Party list. Campaign manager may come in to support your parties. 1 minute and 30 seconds come from Sana Party List. Your time starts now.
Overall, we believe that it is our responsibility as students to take accountability of our actions. And that is the strongest thing you can do as a student here in Balulang National High School. We, Sana Party List, will listen to you and help you improve. And maybe for the disabled, we have the SNED there and they have a different time setting for us normal students. And we don't discriminate them, we include them into everything. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sana Party List. And now we invite the Aspire Party List for their 1 minute and 30 second closing statement. Your 1 minute and 30 seconds starts now.
Good day. We don't teach responsibility by shaming those who struggle. We teach providing a support system that acknowledge your hard work. And ang Aspire Party List ng tuong ng tinuod nga lider, hindi anda mo tubang araw wala estudyante ang maiwan. Isipin na with heart, not discipline with fear. Kami nagtitong sa inyong tubangan, dili lang kay para istorya, but we work. Thank you, dagang salamat.
Thank you so much. And lastly, we will do another fight. We invite the campaign managers from each party to be in front and give at least 30 seconds of what you can say for your party. We invite both campaign managers here in front. Please proceed here now. 30 seconds. Aspire campaign managers will come first. 30 seconds starts now.
Good morning, everyone. I know that Aspire Party List is responsible and have an action because since sa mga campaign pa lang daan, guys, wala na naman na sila gi-guide sa usahan nilang mga buhat. So, but they take the responsibility na mo take sila action na maka-campaign sila sa inyo ha. And that's ngano nakaingon ko sila na nasa sila responsibility silang kaugalingon and dapat silang action sa ilang silang mga platforms. And I know that each party list kay nasa sila responsibility and that's all guys. Thank you.
So in closing, the Sana Party List is committed to serving with dedication, integrity, and genuine leadership. So naami quote guys, sana kahit hindi ikaw ang pinili, piliin mo pa rin ang leader na may puso, malasakit at handang tumulong para sa lahat. So choose Sana Party List. Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. On behalf of the Supreme Secondary Learner Government, we thank both parties for presenting their platforms professionally and respectfully. To our fellow students, remember, leadership is not about popularity. It is about responsibility, service, and integrity. Vote wisely, vote responsibly. Thank you.